We'll guide you through how to connect a mobile hotspot to a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're finding that your internet is out, your main connection, or you're out and about and you don't have internet. So what we can do is we can go and connect the hotspot from our mobile. We'll guide you through how you can do this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide. We're going to show you two different ways. The first way is going to be using it wirelessly, and the second way is by using the cable. So I think the most convenient way is wirelessly, but you may prefer using the cable if you don't have a wireless adapter on your computer. So to go and get started, let's come onto the phone. So here we are. What we need to do is you need to go and swipe up on the phone like so. Go to find the option for settings. Here they are. You can search at the top if needed and open them up. Then what you need to do is you need to go into connections at the top. In connections, you can then go and find mobile hotspot and tethering. Tap there. You want to go and find mobile hotspot and go and tap on it. Now what you need to do is you need to go and switch this on like this. You need to go and confirm to turn off Wi-Fi. That's fine. Now what you can do is it's now on. You can go and see the network name and also the password as well and the band. So now what we can do is come back to our computer. You need to go and press on the connections in the bottom right here. See Wi-Fi, make sure it's turned on, and you could press the arrow to the right. Then you can scroll and find the network by the name. You can see that on your phone screen and tap on it, then go and press connect. You need to go and enter in the password if prompted. I've connected before, so I won't need to. But you can go and see the password on your phone screen. You can see I'm successfully connected and I can now go and use the internet. Alternatively, you can go and use the cable. So what you need to do is go and grab the cable like this, and then what we can do is we can go and plug it into the bottom of the phone. Of course, you need to go and plug the other end into your computer as well. When you plug it in, it should appear on your computer. What you need to do is go and drag down at the top like so. And then what you need to do is go and find the option for USB 4. Go and tap there and tap it again. You want to make sure you go and set it to USB tethering like so. That's super important. You can see I'm successfully connected and I can now go and use the internet. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. Have a great day.